Frustration peaks when your garage door refuses to close, leaving you feeling helpless and vulnerable. Common culprits include sensor misalignment, track obstructions, and pesky power supply issues that disrupt functionality. Modern garage doors boast safety sensors that protect against closing on obstructions, making misalignment a frequent issue. Blocked tracks can also hinder your garage door's journey, causing it to stop or even reverse unexpectedly. Power supply problems, such as outages or faulty wiring, can render your garage door non-functional at crucial moments. Broken springs or cables could mean the difference between smooth operation and being stuck with your door wide open. A need for limit settings adjustment might also cause your garage door to struggle, not closing completely. Weather and humidity in places like Southlake, Texas, can create moisture issues that disrupt sensor performance. Communication failures with your garage door. Remote or wall switch can keep that door from moving as well. When in doubt, seeking professional help ensures your garage door issues are resolved swiftly and safely.